OGC Testbed 14 continued the work of previous testbeds, and is about making arbitrary applications available on cloud infrastructures. ESA has developed the concept of Earth observation exploitation platforms, a collaborative virtual work environment, providing access to Earth observation data and tools, as well as the needed computing resources. The EOC thread involves a thematic exploitation platforms in front of mission exploitation platforms, and introduces the chaining of applications executed on the environment. The introduced workflow consumes multispectral images as input, and retrieves it from a central catalog. Spacebel has focused on the deployment and execution of the demonstration processing chain, multi-sensor NDVI stack generator. The workflow sends the source image to 3 different maps and proceed to the calculation of the normalized difference vegetation index. The 3 individual output images are then stacked by an application executed on a 4th exploitation platform. EOC thread participants have adopted the displayed architecture. The EMS interfaces with the FedEO OpenCH gateway to identify images of interest and rely on ADS instances for the execution of application. Spacebel has implemented the following sequence reflecting the statement of work scenarios, which includes the deployment, execution and the monitoring of applications and workflows. In collaboration with the Testbed Next Generation thread, Spacebel has been playing an active part in defining the transactional web processing service extension, which includes the deploy and undeploy operations. Spacebel has also participated to the adjustment of the REST-JSON interface draft proposed by the Standard Working Group. The Swagger user interface can be used to visualize and interact with the WPS REST API resources. The user may discover the list of available processes with a summary description. For a particular application, the user may also retrieve the complete process description. To perform a process execution, the user provides the application identifier, the input values and receives the location of the status document, which can be polled until the execution is completed. Spacebel has preserved the compatibility with the WPS specification, so the multi-sensor NDVI stack generator can be executed using a standard client. The user selects the process from the list, then fills the required parameter for the execution, the desired input image collections, the start date, end date, and the area of interest. The user then clicks on the execute button to perform the execution. The status of the execution then may be checked by the user. In the case of a succeeded execution, the result document is retrieved by the client, and the user is able to download the output files.